It's a 2019 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Luxury SUV, high-performance SUV. However you want to label the Stelvio, it's prepared to take you everywhere. And all 2019 models have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, Bluetooth streaming audio, refrigerated box located in the console, front heated leather sport seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. In the face of the most challenging terrain, this Alfa Romeo stands tall. Stelvio is a high-performance SUV with the heart and soul of a hero. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.